You've worked hard. You've proven your commitment. You've built discipline, reliability, and resilience. Now it's time for a career that truly matches that effort and rewards it. At Gruber Industries in North Phoenix, we're offering not just another job, we're offering a serious career with real training, real growth, and long-term earning potential. The reason I know that is, I founded these companies 40 years ago. I came from a combination of small companies and big corporate America, and I created these companies with a purpose to give people an opportunity to create something for themselves. So if you're ready for the next chapter in your life, ready to take everything that you've already learned, everything that you've already achieved, and apply it to a new industry, we're ready to help you build your career here. We're hiring account managers, professionals who want stability, development, and a chance to grow into something bigger. Within our company, you can actually build a company within a company. Full training, full benefits, clear advancement, and we'll teach you the industry. You'll bring the discipline, work ethic, and drive that you've already proven in a high-tech environment. If you're ready to move forward and ready to build something real, ready to take your career to the next level, this is your opportunity. Apply now at Gruber Industries.